And good morning, Way Fam, from Kuala Lumpur in Malaysia.
I'm Ashley, this is Josh, welcome to our channel.
We sold everything we had to travel the world, and now we want to share with you the way away.
So be sure to subscribe down below, give us a like, and hit that little bell so you can follow more of our adventures.
Let's go. As you can see, we are in the airport. If you watched our last two videos, you'll know that we had a heck of a time trying to get to India. We made a mistake. We forgot to apply for visas.
I made a mistake. You don't have to take blame.
Anyways, we had a nice, lovely time here in Kuala Lumpur, and today we are finally, again, fingers crossed, going to make it to India.
We have checked in, they've taken our bags, we've gotten our tickets, so we are more
essentially
than
good to go,
there.
Now the only tricky part is, in order to save a little bit of time, Ashley has got us a 1 hour layover to transfer
in Sri Lanka.
from Colombo in Sri Lanka.
Yeah, but I paid for insurance just a little bit more, so if like we have any delays or anything, then they'll be paying for our extra flight, because we paid for too many extra flights like in our lifetime.
Our mistake cost us around $500 or so.
Probably
Actually,
more than that,
no, I think a tiny bit less, because we initially paid for rush shipping or rush processing on the visa, and it didn't get rushed, so they refunded that. That was like $180, so probably like $400 or $500 mistake.
Yeah, not too bad.
Not horrible, but
still too much that we weren't planning on spending. So we're excited to go to India. There's so many things. We fly into Mumbai, and then we are planning in a few days to go to Goa. We've never been, always wanted to check it out, so that's where we're headed.
Well, security is eyeing me, and we're about to go and get checked, so I gotta put the camera down and we'll catch you on the other side. The departures gate. Look at that, we made it.
Yeah, so this is Terminal 1, but Terminal 2 you can just take like either a bus or a little tram like what we took here, but Terminal 2 is so much nicer. It has a huge mall in it, so that's where we were hanging out this morning.
I'm really surprised at how big these airports are. I mean, we were in KLIA 1, Terminal 1, the first day we arrived here. It is pretty big. And then we went over to KLIA 2, the second terminal, and it was huge, basically a mall. And now we're at the annex for the sea gates. And as you see, we're just walking past shops after shops after shops. They have huge malls here. Is it Malaysia that has the Mall of Asia in it?
I don't know, but it is beautiful. And I love that they have gardens inside of the airport where you can just go and chill while you're waiting for your flight. No big deal.
Now they have a security check at each gate. That's pretty impressive. There's a ton of security here in Malaysia.
Yeah, a lot. This is the third one that we've been through.
Yeah.
This is the first one that they make you take your laptops out of, though.
All right, we're checked into our gate now. The flight leaves in around 45 minutes. Ashley, expectations versus, well, I guess reality of India. We've been there before.
Yeah, I'm excited to go to India. The food will be different from what we normally eat. And
Ashley does not like Indian food.
Yeah, I was trying not to say
tattletale.
that. And yeah, we're staying in a hostel. We haven't done that in forever, so we'll see how that goes.
Last time we were there, it was unpleasant, and we got bed bugs.
I'm excited about taking a train in India, like one of the nicer trains, because we before took like the cheapest of cheap, and
it was unpleasant.
Yeah, so I'm excited to give that a go. I mean, there are a lot of things. You know, I feel like this time we might see a side of India that we've never seen before, and that's why I wanted to go to Goa, which is a tourist location in India. I think it'll be completely different from anything we've experienced.
Well, because last time we were there, we were with a nonprofit, and we were intentionally working in the slums and the poor areas, and we weren't there for tourism.
So we have been to India twice before. Each time we've stayed 2 to 3 months. So we've spent long periods of time in India, all around India. So different areas, but we've never been to Mumbai or Goa. So it's a brand new place for us.
Fingers crossed, it's cool. Like we want to be like really excited about it, but our past experiences having our excitement a little dampered, just because we know. Yeah, it's because even if we find ourselves in like a really luxurious, nice part, we know that there's a lot of crap going on.
Poverty. And
Yeah.
it just makes me sad. But,
Yeah, sad.
but the people of India are so nice. I'm
Yes.
so excited. Tomorrow we have a cooking class with a local, and because we're familiar with the culture, I think that it will be so much easier for us to connect with locals and just have a good time with them. So I'm looking forward to that. I hope that it goes everywhere that we plan it.
All right.
Good, because we've had some bad luck lately. So fingers crossed our bad luck is over, and that from now on we're gonna have lots of amazing times.
All right, off to India.
You by the window? Or you good?
It doesn't matter to me. Check this out though. It's only a 2-seat row.
A twofer.
That's kind of fun.
And the TVs.
Oh, you're so pumped.
I know, I didn't get to watch any TV last time, or movies, because I was sleeping the whole time. But this time, better believe I'm gonna watch something. Only if it's in English, though, because I can't translate into
It'll be English. Synchronized movies, date night.
Yeah, movie together on the airplane.
All right, so we got chicken. I have some grilled vegetables and complimentary spirits. So Ashley and I both have rum and cokes, like classy adults flying to India. And this is actually really nice. The last time we flew in India was on Kingfisher. There may be nice versions of that, but there's a whole menu for this place, which we did not experience at any time other before flying in India. And we didn't buy these extra special, we just got tickets. So pretty cool.
We were sure this airline has surprised us above and beyond.
Yeah. Good job, Sri Lankan Air. I like it. We're going to continue our meal and our movie now. All right. We've landed in Sri Lanka, making our connection now to Mumbai in India.
That flight flew high.
It went really? Okay, that was it. Okay. All right.
Get it.
We're done here.
Okay, so we just arrived to our gate, but I thought that I would explain my hair and how disgusting it looks.
all so greasy.
So bad. So when I was in the shower this morning, I am clean. My hair does not say that, but I am clean. I stole some of
She
Josh's.
stole the coconut oil Ashley
because it was
got me in our video.
And I used it in the shower, right? But then I used shampoo afterwards. Well, it seems that the shampoo did not get the coconut oil out of my hair, and now my head is a freaking grease ball. This whole day. I don't know what to do about it. Tonight I'm gonna have to take a shower and try to get it out, but I cannot believe how, like, it looks wet. That is so it's not disgusting.
Coconut oil for the
because
win.
It's coconut oil, but it looks disgusting. I just had to clear that one up.
Food round 2, movie round 2. Looking good. Your card is invalid. How's your experience? Bad. My experience was bad.
Have an awesome day.
There's another ATM over there. We forgot Bank of America shut off my ATM card, so we're using Ashley's.
So, hopefully mine works.
Come
Didn't
on.
work on the first one, so, second time's a charm.
And we also did the currency wrong, so we almost pulled out like $500. Thankfully, we went down.
Thankfully it didn't work.
All right, we got cash, and we were thinking we might try and take a cab if it wasn't too expensive. But between all 6 cab counters,
Seems they're all out.
they're out of cabs.
Yeah, that humidity hitting us right.
It is freaking hot. You're all fogged up, huh?
We're gonna try and take a little tuk-tuk or auto, I think they're called here
Yeah.
now. So
He said it's the cheapest way to get there, so yeah, we're gonna try it out.
Thank you. All right, bye-bye.
Here, sir.
Bandra Westland.
I haven't shown him where we're supposed to go, but I think our friend from the line, he told him, so we'll see. It's always interesting in India. Okay. Good.
This is your room.
Great. Thank you.
Yeah.
So everything cool?
That's
Yeah.
great.
Yep, thank you.
Great. Have a
Thank
good
you.
night. Thank you.
Good night.
Welcome, Ashley. Plus Brown.
And Josh, I guess, but whoever Brown is gets to sleep with me tonight.
All right, well, we finally made it to our hostel. We're staying at a place called Horn OK Hostel. No, Horn OK Please.
Yeah.
I don't know about that.
Why the name it is, but I think that it has some play on words, right?
I think it's a play on words in Indian. There's signs that say "No horn, okay, please," something like
Because
that.
there's,
Like they don't want people honking.
constantly.
So I don't know. Anyways, we
Nice
made it to
hostel.
Mumbai. Yeah, it's a
Yeah.
nice hostel. Everyone's actually really nice. What we
nice.
didn't film was that immediately when we arrived, the guy that was doing the check-in had to run to like a restaurant, and so he's like, "Why don't you guys come with us?" So we went there. We had dinner. We had some
Yeah,
beers, and then we
great.
came to check in. It is now.
Midnight.
It's now midnight,
Yeah.
and we're very tired.
So I need to take a shower and get this nest
Yeah.
out of my hair, and we have a busy day tomorrow. So
Mhm.
we will see you in the next video, Way Fam. We finally made it to India.
We did it.
Yeah, lots of crazy fun things. India is crazy. Crazy good in so many ways.
It's a culture all in and of itself.
Yeah.
It's completely different.
I'm so excited to share with
I
you.
hope we encourage you to get out there and travel today, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Good night.